This is a painting you can make even if you've never painted before, and it only takes one afternoon and a few tools. This lake near our home has this soft, muted blue-gray tone, and I wanted to bring that feeling inside. And these are all of the materials we're gonna need. We have a canvas, a regular paint roller, my own texture paste, a single palette knife, and the main colors we use are just regular titanium white and Payne's gray, and optionally you could also add in some raw umber. Our first step is to apply some texture paste on the canvas, and whenever we're working with texture pastes, regardless of the brand, you always want to mix the paste thoroughly. We're not going to be needing a lot of paste. Even a little here in the bottom section will add a lot of interest to our painting. So I have a little paste on my knife, then I just gently brush the edge on the canvas. So very simple, calm movements. And the first phase of our painting is now done. We're gonna give this maybe an hour or 2 hours to dry. Thin layers like this, they dry fairly quickly. And don't rush the drying process, just give it enough time to properly dry. Our horizon line will be roughly somewhere over here. So we're gonna take some paint and begin with that. And just trust the process. Then we'll keep tinting it down as we create the sky. And one of the reasons why I chose the paint roller for this is that by applying different pressures, we can use the edge of the roller to create these uneven lines that really give a nice, rough, organic feel to the artwork. Then we'll gently highlight some of the textures. And then we paint the little birds here, and you can sketch them out with a pencil first, or just paint them directly.